Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to delete gradient from preset group in gradient palette in Photoshop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your toolbar right here. So go ahead and select your gradient. Then after select your gradients, come to the gradient editor from the top right here. So click on it, and this window right here is going to pop up right here. Now you have to choose a particular group that you want to delete from some of the presets right here. So let's say from this group of red right here. So I'm going to select from this group. So what you need to do is to open up the group preset. Then here you go. Now I can decide to delete as many as possible from this particular preset of gradient right here. For that, go ahead and select the one you want to delete. Having selected the one you want to delete, right click on it, and you have option of delete gradient right here. Go ahead and click on delete gradient. Delete the gradient 007. Go ahead and hit on OK, and the gradient will be deleted. You can do this to delete as many as possible. Get from the gradient editor preset in Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.